Yo, what's up, guys? It's Friday, August 21st, and I caught this trade today. Great way to end off the week. This is my first week of live trading in front of thousands of people completely for free, and I think I cooked almost every single day this week. Honestly, amazing week. I'm glad I could teach a lot of people how I view the markets, everything like that. And I'm just going to give you guys a quick breakdown of this trade because a lot of people were hating on me, a lot of people saying pattern trade, a lot of people didn't like the fact that I shorted when we had equal highs above. So I'm going to give you a quick breakdown on why I took this, why was I more bearish on the day, everything like that. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, starting on the hourly time frame, I am pretty neutral. I can really see us continuing higher or continuing lower. We're in a big hourly gap, and if you want to argue with me if this is holding or not, honestly, I don't know. Like, this candle didn't really close above, this one's like perfectly closed, so technically is an IFEG, but I'd say we're wicking out of this area, displacing lower, everything like that. So I'd say like we're just in this giant extension down, just on the higher time frame. We're on a giant move down, we're just on a giant leg down. So I think I'm a little more bearish on the day. Okay, scaling down to the 15-minute time frame, what can we notice? We have equal highs resting above. Not only that, we have amazing drawn liquidities to the downside. So not only is my high time frame bias very bearish, we have amazing draws to the downside. So we have London low, Asia low, and previous day low, with a lot of low resistance liquidity leading into that. So I'd say this is amazing drawn liquidity lining up with my high time frame narrative. Now, the equal highs resting above, do we need to target these to continue lower? In my opinion, that is a good idea, and I respect anyone who thinks that's necessary. But it's also the same thing with the 15-minute gap. Do we need to tap into this 15-minute gap to continue lower, or do we need to tap into this equal highs to continue lower? Guys, the market only goes up or down, and you guys are just like creating imaginary scenarios to happen every single time. Like, a lot of you guys faded really good trades just because we didn't reach these like hypothetical scenarios that you're imagining. Like, I think reactionary trading is the best way to go, and you don't need to always tap into this or sweep that or anything like that. But also, let's take a look at ES, and this is the main reason I disregarded these equal highs as a DOL compared to these lows like London, Asia, and previous day. Taking a look at ES, we SMT'd this high. So we actually did take this out, and I'd say that's a pretty strong reaction. Looking at the 15-minute, we swept the high, clear displacement down in the 15-minute, and also we have all the lows stacked up below. Amazing DOL. You can picture like a magnet on the screen just trying to suck the market down into these DOLs. So the equal highs aren't that significant to me just because we SMT'd it. Also, looking at micro NQ, we didn't form equal highs. So if you go ahead and take a look, it's a failure swing, like it's pretty insignificant. Especially, I'm executing on micros, not NQ. I normally chart on NQ, but this is just another reason why I could fade the equal highs. We didn't sweep it on micro, or we didn't form the equal high on micros. We have the SMT on ES, and NQ, I'm super bearish with amazing DOLs. So honestly, screw the equal highs. I'm going to disregard that, and if a trade pops up, I'm going to take it. Scale down to the 5-minute. What do we notice? We did get like a Diddy candle like displacing higher in market open. You can see we got the clean V-shape 2 minutes before market open. I'd say this is a pretty light bulb long idea. I honestly like it. It's just I don't enter before market open because you never know what could happen. Market open, we could dump 100 points in 1 second. I'd say just entering right before is too risky for me, and with my own experience, I don't really like it. So I like to sit it out, be patient, everything like that. And it turns out if you did long this and you didn't go break even, you would have just got cooked instantly, and you would have been my liquidity because I ended up taking this short. But I did front run this entry. I could have entered off this 30-second. I didn't want to. I actually ended up entering right before this one closed prematurely. I was super confident in the idea, and I just love the fact that ES was also delivering. So taking a look at ES, we also are displacing heavily. One issue this week is that ES and NQ have been very uncorrelated the past couple of days. I noticed on market open, ES and Q were just displacing opposite directions, and it's a really bad thing. So one thing I love to see, and it just warms my heart, is ES and NQ reacting the same way. So that just makes me even more confident in the idea. We're ripping lower on ES. Not only that, on NQ, we're ripping lower as well. We get the IFEG, and guess what? I take my entry because I'm confident in the trade. I trust my conviction. I trust my bias. I don't care about the equal highs above just because we have London low and all these lows stacked up. It's amazing. And guys, just because, here's the tip, just because I like all these lows doesn't mean I'm going to target all of it. I like to go for my base hits. I say this every single day to all of you. Your trading will be way better if you just aim in the direction of your drawn liquidity without targeting the full move, because your win rate will just skyrocket. And yeah, we do end up ripping lower. You could hold partials, you could trim off, anything like that. But this is like my trade idea for today. It's nothing too crazy. I just trusted my gut. And do I care if 100 traders tell me I'm wrong? Honestly, I don't care, bro. Trading is how you view the market, your experience, what you think's going to happen, you know? As long as you trust your market experience, stick to your risk management, follow your rules, everything like that, I think it's going to be okay. There's no secret god of trading. Like, just because Dodgy says he doesn't like this trade and he wants equal highs to get taken doesn't mean like he's the all glory god of trading. You know, not everyone's right. Everyone's going to see the market differently. And guess what? I saw it how I saw it and I won today. So what does that tell you guys? I hope you guys learned a little bit from this video. It's a pretty quick video, but honestly, nothing too crazy today. After this trade, there was like the worst PA of all time. I'll go ahead and play that out. We were chopping for a while. We were just chopping. There was no real entries. A lot of you guys were asking me like, what about the 10 a.m. long or this long or this long or this short? Like, guys, we're ranging so hard. All of these trades suck. I'm not gonna lie. So all of these trades are like very low quality. Maybe there's one decent quality trade, maybe like the long here after we swept all the lows to the left, something like that. It might be higher quality. I'm not too sure, but you know, I would just like fade anything in this type of price action, just looking at the 2 minute or just any time frame. Like, is there really any significant trades here? Who knows? But yeah, guys, I hope you learned from this video. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and join up because I'm just changing as many lives as possible for free. And if you guys would like to support me, feel free to go on my website and you could view all the top prop firm deals. I'm affiliate with these. So if you guys buy prop firms with my code, it makes me money and it means a lot because, you know, I'm streaming for free and I'm trying to teach as much people for free. So yeah, if you guys want to support me, it's very appreciated if you buy any prop firm with my code. Not only that, I also do a lot of giveaways. So every account you buy with my code, it gets you giveaway entries and it puts you in the raffle for 30 plus accounts every single week. If you go on my Discord server and you go on giveaway proof, all these people won real giveaways. Like, all these guys are giveaway winners. There's hundreds. Like, I've genuinely given away hundreds of accounts. I've been doing like 20, 30 accounts every single week for as long as I can remember. So yeah, I try to give back to all my supporters and it's just a win-win for everyone. I make some money, you guys win free accounts, you guys support me. Also, every account you buy, you earn points. You can see here's a demo. I have a couple dungeon points. You could go in the shop and you could redeem indicator access, or you can save up and buy a real account. You guys can save up, redeem a real Lucid account. Also, there's a daily spin. If you guys go here, I'll show you the demo. You spin the wheel, you could win prizes. You could win points. These points, you buy the accounts, anything like that. You could win giveaway entries or indicator access. So I actually have like dozens of people win the indicator for completely free just because I want to give out to the community. Also, there's a streak. So if you guys show up every single day on the daily spin, you can save up your streak, all that stuff. I just wanted to get you guys rewarded for using my code. So it's just genuinely win-win for everyone. If you're not using my code, you're just missing out. So yeah, hope you guys learned from this video and peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next week.